Hungary is expensive.
Surprisingly.
Yeah. We thought it's cheap before, but maybe we're in the scam area. We're in the market. Tourist trap.
Yes.
Because I remember, maybe after COVID, they become expensive. I don't know.
Let's see what it is. Yeah. 1 sausage, 2 beers, 25 euros. It's an
One sausage, 2 beer, 25 euro. Wow. And how much is beer then?
2,000. So it's like 5 euro each.
5 euro per beer, and
That's
then
10.
sausage.
15 euros.
15 euro on this sausage. Crazy.
Yeah.
Maybe if you go somewhere like not touristic area, then you can find cheap beer and sausage. But we are in the center. That's why. Tourist spot.